Hello everyone, welcome back to my show, The Real Talk with the Real Personalities. So if you are wondering or if you want to try to get a successful career in the CA field, how you can become a great CA. So today to discuss all these questions, we got a very amazing personality. She cleared her exam in 2004 and she is doing work in the field of CA for more than 21 years. So let's dive into conversation with her and let's take her interview. So please give a big hand applause for her. So hello ma'am, how are you?
Great sir.
So ma'am, I want to know and our audience wants to know that those who wants to become a CA,
yes,
because you have a lot of experience in this field.
Definitely.
What would you like to suggest to those aspirants who want to become the CA?
Okay. So first I would like to introduce myself.
Yeah.
I'm Chartered Accountant Nidhi Agrawal and would be practicing Chartered Accountant since last 21 years.
Yeah.
So I would suggest I have a great experience in my field.
Definitely.
So I would suggest that the person who want to do the career in CA field, first so he or she has to be the hard worker.
Yeah.
Because there is a lot much need to do the work or the sitting capacity of the person.
Yes.
Because there are many aspects in this field, right? Say accounting and management side and that side.
Yeah.
So you have to do the hard work. Second, you have to make the strategy.
Okay.
So that management skill should be there. So that you have to make the strategy for the whole course.
Okay.
And you would be definitely very strict on that and follow that. And if you don't follow, then in the late evening or in the early morning, you have to write down it.
Okay.
So what mistakes you did, so that in the next day you
can work on that.
You can work on that basically. So you can rectify your mistakes and then we'll do the better on next day.
Yes. Because ma'am, you have successfully cleared your exam in 2004. So what strategy did you adopt at that time?
Sir, personally, I feel I have a very good time management skill.
Okay.
So that worked basically a great success in my life.
Okay.
Because when we write down we have to do 4 to 5 at this time, this subject. So you have to complete that subject in that time only. So it actually worked a lot. Second thing, make a timetable.
Okay.
This subject should be finished in 15 days. This subject should be finished in this date. And another thing is there was a revisionary papers or mock test like things.
Yes.
So I personally did that also. So that मुझे मालूम पड़ा कि what would I did basically. So that is overall the strategy of mine at that time. But sir, the scenario has altogether changed since last 21 years. So I would suggest there are many things also people because nowadays the children wants basically the AI era children wants so much of things rather than the studies. So they have to do AI because I'm just personally suggest you AI also helps you in the making a planning, but you would be in the right direction. That is the same.
Because sometimes we are stuck in the trap of AI. So we start wasting our time.
Basically. We start seeing this reels and these all things. So it should be avoided. It is there, but it is it is for the limited time. That is say for half an hour or for in the breaks half an hour. Aisa.
To chill out your mind.
Exactly. To freshen up you basically.
Okay. So ma'am, what is the common mistakes that a CA aspirants do when they are in their journey? So what are that mistakes?
The mistakes they did basically is that they are not so much sincere basically. First of all, I would suggest that sincerity should be there because this is the exam at very hard level. So you have to be sincere towards your work, right? And there is a law, there is a subject like direct tax, indirect tax. So you should be stick on that language. Provision should be there, sections should be there. So you should quote that sections, that provision language, that law language in your exams. they would write just like as they would write the paper of BCom.
Okay.
So return, and they should be stick on that particular provision, not that कि आपको पूरी copy fill up करनी है.
Okay.
It is like that.
Don't focus on the filling of the pages.
Exactly.
Okay. So ma'am, you made me very curious about you.
Yes.
So would you like to share your story, your journey?
Okay, that's fine. I was in 12th. After that, when I was in 10th standard,
Okay.
I took the subject PCB, right?
Okay.
Physics, chemistry,
Yeah.
bio. But somehow I changed my mind, and
Okay.
in the middle of 11th, I changed my subject,
Okay.
turned to commerce.
Okay.
And then I actually did a lot of hard work. Reason being कि my half session already gone.
Yeah.
So I have to do lot many hard work.
Okay.
So that's it. And then at that time at that time there was not the center of CA exams
Okay.
in Gwalior, right? So
There was no center in
no
Gwalior?
center, no.
Okay.
So I have to go to Bhopal for taking exam, right? So after 12th I gave my foundation exam.
Okay.
Then inter, तो at the time of giving the inter, the center was there in this city center only. So that was not the problem. But there is one more problem, that there was no good classes.
Yes.
So I had gone to Delhi for taking the classes. So it was a very good experience, matlab. But nowadays, so you can easily get the classes over here or online mode also.
Lot of teachers are available here.
Lot of teachers are available, and after Corona, so you can take the online classes
online
also. So it was there. Matlab, it is not a problem. And that time also, one or two times I was frustrated. अरे यार नहीं हो रहा, but still I get through it. मतलब no issues at all. And I was very happy when I got my result.
Yeah, ma'am. Obviously.
When I become a CA.
So ma'am, thank you for sharing your journey, your experience with us. And once again, I would like to thank you to join me.
Thank you so much,
So,
sir.
Hope you guys enjoyed my session, and I will catch you later in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching me. Thank you.
Thank you. ये सर आप मुझे भी भेज दीजिएगा, राइट?